YouTube, it's Amari.
And Allie.
Here from Three Slay Sisters.
I say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
And as you see by the title, we are doing the Who Can Untangle Headphones the Fastest Part 2.
Oh, I just got my hair done yesterday.
And so yeah, let's get
To the video.
let's get in the video. But first, after tangle the headphones, so that's why. And this is Allie's. These are mine. These are wireless, so
We might.
it's kind of easy to untangle wireless headphones. But I'll see some.
Thank you. Okay.
Wait, hold on. And we actually have 3 minutes, so ready, set, go. Sorry. I have to turn it up. This is about to be so easy.
Yeah.
She has 1 minute and 10 seconds left.
What do I have to do if I don't do this?
I don't know. I'll find a
Challenge.
No, I will find a
Oh my god, I tingled it more.
what's it called? I forgot what's it called.
Okay. Oh my god, you guys only have seconds.
50 seconds. I will see. Oh wait. I
Yes!
didn't.
Eventually,
Really?
I am going to win.
Girl, this little knot and I'm done.
Shoot.
Yo, I would have lost.
Okay. You guys, I'm gonna lose. Look at the timer, Mari. Look at the timer.
20 seconds left.
Oh my god. You guys are gonna lose. You just know I'm gonna lose. I'm a loser. 14.
12, 11, 10,
Okay.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I lost.
So, please like, subscribe to the Three Slay Sisters for more videos. Peace out.